at our awesome banana boat glide through the water, Lulu. Woo! It's beautiful! The steering wheel sail is spinning perfectly in the wind.
Hey, that banana boat is cool, but I want that steering wheel sail for my glider. Aha! Out of the way! Out of the way! Time to swipe the steering wheel sail.
Zoom! Oh!
Stop! Hey, he pulled the whole steering wheel sail right off the deck.
Oh dear, we are drifting away. Without the sail, the boat is floating into the deep water. Boo-hoo! My beautiful banana boat is broken. We are stuck out here.
Ha-ha! Look at me fly! This steering wheel sail makes my glider go super fast. Don't cry, Tommy. I am standing right here on the shore. I have a plan to rescue you. 1, 2, 3, stretch! Look at my long body reach all the way to your boat. The zucchini bridge is complete. Run across my back, Tommy. Go get that sail.
Yippee! Here I go! I'm running super fast across the bridge. Wow!
You can't catch me down there. This steering wheel sail belongs to my glider now. Whee! Up, up, and away!
I'm flying through the air. I'm on!
Hey, get off! Looking good! Huh? Oh no! The tomato is hanging onto my glider! It's too heavy! We are going down! Safe landing on the grass. And look, the steering wheel sail popped loose.
Teamwork wins again. I have our steering wheel sail back in my hands. Aw, now my glider is broken and I have no toys to play with. I'm sorry I took it. Hey Ziggy, let's forgive him. We can invite him on our banana boat so we can all share the fun.
Hey, silly squirrel! Come with us. Sharing is the best way to play.
Yep.
Woohoo! Wow, really? Yippee! Thank you for sharing your awesome banana boat with me. Let's lock the zucchini bridge back in so we can all climb aboard. Look at us go! Walking together as a real team.
No more stealing. Welcome aboard, silly squirrel. We are so happy to have you join our race. Woo-hoo!
Let's snap the steering wheel sail back onto the mast. Click! Wow, the sail is spinning! Our banana boat is rocketing forward across the pond.
Look, squirrel! Hold the wheel with me. We can steer the boat together.
Whee! This is way better than my leaf glider. Look at the water splash.
We are sailing fast because we are sharing the fun. Dance with me, friends.
Look, we can tie your leaf glider to the back of our boat and tow it along.
We are the best banana boat crew in the entire world! Hooray! Look at that spectacular explosion! Millions of floating balloons!
Catch the banana balloons! They are floating everywhere in the sky.
Woohoo! Here is a delicious, sweet cartoon banana snack for you, Squirrel. And for everyone!
Sharing makes our boat ride feel so incredibly happy and fun. This banana boat feast is the best reward ever!
Yay! Yum! Sharing with friends is way better than playing all alone. Hooray for sharing! We are the ultimate sailing crew! Her ultimate sailing crew!
Shake your body, spin around.
Yay!
Sharing makes the best sound.
Sharing means everyone gets to have fun together. Look at us sit right in the center. Goodbye, everyone! See you on our next big boat adventure. Bye-bye!